this in order to find out, are these going to be relative maxes and mins? No, they're asymptotes. So can we ignore this right here? Yes. But do we still have to focus in on this one? Yes. Are these still important for my intervals to see if my graph is increasing or decreasing? Got it? Isn't there a graph that's going to go along this like this? Either it's up here or isn't it be down here? If my slopes are negative, aren't they down here? If my slopes are positive, isn't it up here? On this side, don't we have a graph that's going to look like this? And don't we have to find the derivatives in those intervals? So aren't these still important right here to find your intervals? Okay. Where are we going to squeeze that? Right here in the corner. Let's squeeze it. Woohoo! All right, our intervals are from negative infinity to negative 3, negative 3 to 0, 0 to 3, and 3 to infinity.
Yes.
Okay. Now we decided already that this right here is not going to be a max or min, but we still need to find it to help us with our graph. So what number do you want to plug in here? Let's plug in negative 4. When you plug in negative 4 to this right here, what are you going to get? A negative? Isn't it going to be positive on top and a positive on bottom? Because the square here. So won't that be positive here? If I plug in, say, negative 1, is that in that interval? Negative 1? If I plug in negative 1, I'll get a positive on top and a positive on bottom, so isn't this also positive? If I go here, plug in 1, does that give me a negative over a positive? If I plug in, say, 8,000? No, just kidding. If I plug in 4, does that give me a negative over a positive? So won't this right here be a critical number? What do you get when you plug in 0? Hey, look right there. What do you think you get when you plug in 0? Woo! Right there already. That was easy. Now, 0, 0. What is it though? If it goes increasing to decreasing, what is 0, 0? This is a relative max. Okay, all this junk. What are we saying here? Here we go. If this is a relative max, let's focus on the focus right here. On this interval right here, down here in the corner, it's positive. So if it's positive, we're increasing. So would it be this part graphed or this part? If it's increasing, doesn't it go this way and go up? So to go along the asymptote and then woo, there's my graph. Yay! Okay, right here, isn't it positive to negative? And we said, isn't this point a max? And aren't these asymptotes? So doesn't this go positive to negative? And lastly, isn't this negative? If it's going decreasing, doesn't that mean it's going to be going down right here? Left to right? So wouldn't our graph look like this, decreasing? All that work for the simple sketch that you could have put in your calculator. Now, you got your intercepts, you got your asymptotes, both types, you got your extrema, a lot of calculus going on, a lot of things, everything you've done in math all in one little package. Kind of interesting, kind of annoying.